Honestly speaking, we had just come back from the church. We were thinking of also going to see the victims, and we were told that the news of what happened to us had already reached the national headquarters, and we were pleasingly surprised that we were told that the presidential candidate and the national chairman have diverted their route to come here immediately to commiserate with us. This shows the love that is made of PDP. Gone through, you were here for the presidential rally. Unfortunately, I was not in because this woman got to 70 and she started giving me a lot of problems. So I had to rush her to London because we're trying to get to Dubai. You know the problem we're having with Dubai visa, so we had to rush to London. But the report I got was that you were well received and the rally was very successful here on the Plateau. Based on that, we have continued with the zonal rallies. We have had the southern zone, the northern zone, and we were at the last zone, the central zone. And after even I have shaken my governor to come, and he told me he has to dash to Abuja, and then I drove back to Jos to get here and had what also had happened behind us. It's a very sad moment, but this sacrifice will not go in vain. By the grace of God, Plateau will be delivered to PDP. Our slogan here on the Plateau, bottom top, top bottom. The rallies were very good. Plateau is PDP. PDP is Plateau. I want to assure you that we are not leaving any stone unturned that will deliver Plateau State neat and clean. This gesture that you have shown us, we have no words of more than to say thank you. Thank you for being a caring father. Thank you for the party for being a caring father. And we'll make sure that the victims get the best of treatment possible. We are told that about 13 of them perished, about 10 of them have been amputated, and the rest are recovering gradually. Well, what God has done, nobody can question God. We just pray that the souls of the faithful departed will rest in peace, and this condolence is not only for the PDP family, it is for the entire Plateau State, and particularly the people of Magavul, whose youth were affected more by this. And I want to assure you that we are very appreciative of this visit because of the promptness of your response. We will not just forget it quickly. Thank you for coming as we go to the hospital so you can see the victims.